yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get to it. So this is outfit number one. As you see, I put a little sweatshirt over the silk dress, and I just styled it up like this. Simple, but it's very cute, and it's a good outfit for a casual wear. This is outfit number two, and I styled it up with, a silky skirt and just a knit sweater. Very cute, very fall. And yeah, you can wear it with booties. And this is outfit number three. I really love this outfit. It's so beautiful, and it's very more dressy, but it really screams fall 2022. LOL. But yeah, I would definitely wear these with some boots, either long or short, as I wore it in this one. And I would definitely add a coat, as I'm saying right there. And it's very, very cute. Definitely for, a girl's lunch or, even dinner. Very, very cute. I love this outfit. It's definitely my favorite. And yeah, and this is outfit number four. So it's the same skirt, just in a different color. But yeah, I would definitely wear it with these boots, or any type of booties would look really cute with it. Okay guys, so those were the outfits. I was going to do another one, but it's just like that's all that I want to try on. But yeah, other than that, that's all. I know you can style it different ways, and like I said before, it also would look really cute with like those long coats and with the leather boots that I showed you guys, and also the other booties that I showed you guys. And honestly, for fall outfits and stuff like that, I wouldn't put on jewelry like heavy, because it's kind of more casual, but you can also dress it up, obviously, how I showed you guys. But yeah, I would just focus more on the outfits, and just like small earrings like these, or like a necklace, maybe a ring, and all that. But yeah, I would just like keep it a little more simple on that part, and then yeah, just focus more on the outfit. And you could put your hair up or down, and like any stuff like that. But yeah, that's my video of fall 2022 fashion. Hope you guys all loved it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for your views, your support, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.